getting somewhere. Jonathan, you're crawling. That's so good. Do it again. Come see me. Come see me. That's good. Go, Jonathan. Come here. Come see me. Come here. I'm so proud of you. Your Easter egg's rolling away. Go get it. Go get it. You with your big old thug clothes.
You can do it. Oops.
There's a cabinet there. Watch out. Oh gosh, he can crawl now.
Yay, Jonathan.
You got it! Yay!
Come here.
Go get your daddy.
See that egg?
What you gonna do?
Can you come get it?
Good job. Good little army crawl. Uh-oh, the egg's moving. The egg is moving. What you gonna do? You got
no,
it!
We can crawl now.
Way to go, buddy.
Good job, man.
So proud of you.